Throughout 2022 and early in 2023, we saw a dramatic rise in inflation. UK and Irish inflation both came in over 10%, and the United States inflation rate came in at 9.1% in June 2022. But to combat the rise in inflation, central banks began the most austere hiking cycle in history, with interest rates in both the United States and the euro area reaching multi-decade highs. Today, we can see the impact the tightening of monetary policy has had, with US inflation now at 3.5% and the Eurozone currently at 2.6%. Now, as we see data supporting the decline in inflation, central banks around the world will begin to cut interest rates this year, with the United States Federal Reserve expected to cut rates at least twice this year. But what does the cutting of interest rates mean for consumers, businesses, and the wider economy as a whole? Well, in short, lower interest rates will enable and encourage more borrowing, while also reducing the cost of variable rate debt. Now, this means that businesses and households will have access to cheaper debt and therefore can invest more in either the development of their business or, from a household's perspective, buy a new car or improvement of the home. This chart shows the level of lending from banks across the euro area to the private sector over the past 12 months. As we can see, the rate of lending has slowed from 3.2% in February 2023 to 0.3% in January 2024. Now, finally, from an overall economic perspective, lower interest rates should, in theory, boost overall economic growth as businesses invest more and consumers spend more due to increased levels of disposable income, both on staple goods and discretionary goods. Now, the chart here shows the updated GDP forecast from the Federal Reserve recent March meeting. The Fed has increased its forecast for 2024, 2025, and 2026 from its December 2023 meeting, due perhaps in part to the expectation that lower interest rates will spur growth in the world's largest economy. For more insights such as these, please visit our website, www.seasburyprivate.ie.